Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a UGC portfolio with Canva. So as you know, there are a lot of people who gain a lot of money by creating a UGC content. Either they will sell it directly into the brand, or maybe you can just upload it on your social media. Now before we start, I'm going to show you really briefly about what UGC video will looks like. So here I'm just going to go ahead and go to TikTok, and then I'm going to go ahead and search for UGC content, and here are some of the examples. So if you would like to create this kind of content and you would want to create a portfolio out of it, you can do it easily with Canva. So here on Canva, you can start by taking a look at the templates that they have. So go ahead and search for website templates. And the reason why I want you to search for website is because you would want the customer or the brand that you're trying to approach to be able to see your portfolio with the form of link. Because if you're going to create your portfolio on the form of PDF or maybe presentation, they will need to download it first, and it's going to make it a little bit harder for you to distribute it around, because you will need to have the file on hand, either it's on your phone or maybe on your laptop. But with a link, you can put it everywhere, so it's going to make it easier for them to open it, and it's going to make it easier for you to carry around. So here are some of the portfolio templates that Canva offers. So here I will be using the Canva Pro account, but you can totally use the free account instead. All you have to do is just avoid anything that has this Pro symbols right here, because once you use this, you will not be able to download it, or you will not be able to use it freely. So I'm just going to go ahead and scroll around and try to see if some of the templates catches my eyes. So I kind of like this one's right here, but this one only have one page on it, so it's not actually a website, as well as this one. So I'm going to try to find something that has more than just one page. Maybe something like this one's right here. Yeah, so this one have more than just one page, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. Well, you can actually also start from scratch. If you would like to start from scratch, all you have to do is go to this create a design options and then type in website and create everything from zero. But I think for me personally, using a template is going to make things easier. So here we got the portfolio templates, and you can check first whether everything is according to how you want it, and everything is totally customizable. So if there are some things that are not there yet, you can just add it, or if there are some things that you don't want to be there, you can just delete it. So we're going to start by the first sections right here. I think it's very important to put your pictures, your name, as well as some additional information. Now this one here looks great. We got the name, we got the pictures, but there are things that I will want to add, which is the social media account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the element and then try to search for the social media logo. For example, I want to add Instagram. So I'm going to insert Instagram logo, and then I'm going to choose from the available logo. And I'm going to go with a monochrome and simple kind of design. I'm gonna go with something like this. It's very simple. And I'm just going to adjust it. And then I'm going to change the color so that it's going to match the rest of my portfolio. But I like it to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to go ahead and change it to some things like this. All right, that looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because I'm not going to use it. And then I'm going to add some more like TikTok. And again, I'm going to search for something that is pretty simple. So apparently for the TikTok one, they don't really have this minimalized logo. So I'm going to try to work with what I have. Let's see if we can change the color of this one. So we can. So I'm just going to use this, then change its color to look some things like that. And then you can add as much social media as you want. Just make sure that that social media is not just your social media, I mean not just your personal social media, but it also is social media where you put your works in, so that they will be able to see more of your works. And you can do it like this, meaning that you can just add the logo, or you can also just stack it upside down like this, and then you can add the link of your social media right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this text box and then add the name. So let's say IG link. Obviously you're going to want to add the actual link, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to leave it as the representative text. So this one is TikTok link. And then what you want to do is you're going to want to link this text into the actual social media link. So you can go ahead and click on this text box, click on the triple dot on top of it, and then go put the link of your social media on this text bar right here. So once people click on the text, they will be brought directly into your social media. All right, now that we got the basic, next you're going to want to make sure that every text is going to represent you accurately. So this one right here is actually going to be a portfolio for interior photography. Now since we're going to create one for UGC content, so I'm going to change this into UGC content creator. All right, and then make sure to put your name. I'm just going to use the picture of a person on this templates right here, but obviously you're going to want to change it into your own pictures. And if you would like to do that, all you have to do is upload your picture on the sections right here, and then click upload an image or a video, and then you can upload your pictures through there. And then once your picture is uploaded, for example, I'm going to use this one's right here, or maybe this one. This is a copyright free images that I found on a platform. And then if you would like to insert it into your portfolio, all you have to do is click on the pictures and then drag it on top of the frame. Now let's say that you don't like the frame to look like this. You can also go to the element and try to search for more frame. So go ahead and type in frame, and then you can see that there are more frame appearing. So it comes in several different types or several different sizes and shape. So let's say you want to change this into something more abstract like this one. You can just delete this and then insert your new frame. Adjust it to however you like, and then go ahead and put your picture there. So it looks some things like this. Next, on your next page, you're going to want to put some more details about yourself. So you can add another pictures, and then you can add some short bio about yourself. Just make sure that it's not too long and it actually will explain about what you do. For example, you're going to talk about how long you've been doing UGC content and how passionate you are about it. It's going to be very good if you state it on the second page or on the About Me page. Next, you can add your featured work. All right, so in your featured work, it's going to be very nice if you can just add your pictures and then link into some video. So you don't have to put every single video here, but you can just add one that has a lot of viewers or your best work. Again, all you have to do is add your pictures here. So I'm just going to use some of my example pictures. For example, like this one's right here, and then this one's right here, and then add the link Again, I'm going to just use a symbolism like product UGC link, and then you can just click on the text box, and since this is group, I'm just going to ungroup it first and then adjust it like so. Then click on the triple dots and insert your video link through here. And then you can get your customer or whoever taking a look at your portfolio to be able to go to the link of that UGC content. And last but not least, you're going to want to add up your personal details such as your address, your phone number, as well as email. And address is very important because it's going to help your customers to see whether you are within their reach or not. Because when it comes to UGC content, your content is going to be specialized to a certain group of people, and it's going to be one of the things that your customer or your brand is going to consider when they're trying to work together with you. And once you're done with all of the design, you can go ahead and click on share and create a public view link. Now let's take a look at the difference between the public view link and the link that we're using to edit. So this is how it looks like. It's more of like a presentation website instead of the editing link on Canva. And this is exactly what you need. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a UGC portfolio with Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.